Number 36. Ryan plans to drive to London at a speed of 45 miles per hour. However, due to heavy traffic, he only drives at a speed of 30 miles per hour and arrives in London 2 hours late. Now, find how many hours Ryan drives for at his usual speed. First of all, let's still write down the basic equation. Speed equals distance divided by time, right? Since Ryan is traveling the same distance in both scenarios, with and without traffic, right? So the distance is always the same. We can focus on the ratio of his speeds to find the time he would have taken at his usual speed. We know that the speed ratio of Ryan's usual speed to his slower speed is 45 to 30, right? The ratio can also be simplified to 3 to 2, as both speeds have a common factor of 15. So the speed ratio, as I mentioned, usual to slower is 3 to 2, right? So now let's represent the time Ryan would have taken at his usual speed as x hours. So the time Ryan would have taken of his usual speed, time of usual as x hours, since Ryan arrives 2 hours late at his slower speed. So the time he takes with traffic can be represented as x plus 2 hours. So since they cover the same distance, the time they take to reach London will be inversely proportional to their speeds. That means usual time to traffic time equals slower speed to usual speeds, right? Which is 2 to 3. So we use the simplified speed ratio and time expressions. We can write down the proportions as x to x plus 2 equals 2 to 3. And then so for x, we can cross multiply, and then we can find out the value of x, that is 4 hours. All right, so Ryan would have driven for 4 hours at his usual speed if there wasn't any heavy traffic.